Very good morning. This is a very short video on different types of print statements in Python. Very handy. Different types of print statements, okay, in Python language. Suppose we have loan amount as a variable, tenure, rate of interest, say 1 lakh loan for 10 years at the rate of 9.5. Okay. Then amount to be paid after 10 years is loan into 1 plus rate of interest divided by 100 to the power of n. Okay. What we do is we convert this to integer because money is always a number, not a fractional number, right? Now, let us print the loan amount, the tenure, the rate of interest, and the amount to be paid. This is normal, unformatted print statement, right? Something went wrong. Loan tenure rate, loan to the power of tenure, I'm sorry. Okay. So these are the outputs. But can you figure out what is what? For that, you need to explain what is what. For that, you need a laborious print statement. Print loan is equal to loan. And then tenure is equal to, then you print tenure here. Then rate of interest is equal to, so what do you print here? The value of rate of interest. And then amount to be paid, or the name of the variable, the amount. Okay. Does it look nice? Looks nice, but you see, very awkward way of printing. It can be made simple by using formatted output or print statement. Here we decide what to be printed where. Look here very closely. Print. First is loan amount. Here loan amount will be printed. Next, rate of here a rate of interest will be printed. Next, after loan, let us print tenure. Here number of years will be printed. Next, the amount to be paid. Here, the amount to be paid will be printed. Now, after closing the quotation marks, put dot and then write format and then put all variable names, right? What is that? The loan amount, the tenure, the rate of interest, and the amount to be paid. Right? This is a formatted print statement. Okay? Looks nice, isn't it? Now, if you want to print them in different lines, I use new line characters. Okay? This is clear. It looks more nice, right? Say formatted print statement, and you see output the way you like it to be. There is one more formatted print statement. This is very close to printf statement of C language, formatted print statement with format codes, right? Let us make it a comment statement, quarantine it, write down print loan is equal to, it is an integer, right? Then have a new line character. Next, here itself we can print, have a new line character. Tenure. What is tenure? It is also an integer. Okay. Next, rate of interest. I want 2 digits after decimal point. It is a float and format code is F. And finally, amount to be paid is also an integer now. Okay, that's it. Now put percentage symbol and write all the variables. What are they? Loan, tenure, rate, and amount to be paid. So these are 3 different ways to print the output. I hope you understand it. First one is, let us do a short review. First one is print just values. Second one is print with description, but it's a very odd way of doing it. You see a string, variable name, a string, variable name, etc. Laborious way, crude way of doing things, then formatted to decide where what to be printed. In the first place, loan. In the second place, tenure. In the third place, rate of interest. In the fourth place, amount to be paid, with new line characters in between. Okay. Now, in the last one, so method number 4, I can say we use format codes. We tell the system that here I expect an integer to be printed, floating point variable to be printed. Okay. Let us add one more here. Name of customer. Let the name is Rao. Okay. Now you can print name as well here. What is name? Name is a string. Okay. After that, have a new line character. And what the first thing to be printed? Name. Right? So I hope you understand different ways of printing. One is using format codes. One is using simply format keyword. Second is crude way. Right? Hope you understand it. Please subscribe. Please keep watching. I will make videos on demand as well. Thanks for watching. In my next video, I will explain you the built-in data structures of Python, comparison and their implementations. Thanks a lot.